when we said we were bringing you a treat today, our island host Shanaz has kindly gotten us to have a look in the You and Me suite for you.
And there's only one on the island, so
yeah,
it's massive.
yeah, I've already seen a billiards table inside. We'll go in and we'll have a look. Oh, look at this. This is, guessing, look, freaking. Who wouldn't want their own pool table in their own lounge? And I mean, look at this pool rack. Got your own living area around here. And what's in here? Oh, we've got a suite bedroom, which is really nice in here. It's bigger than the standard suite. The room's lovely in here. I'm guessing in here we're going to have the bathroom. We're in the main bathroom next to the master bedroom. As you can see, is really nice. Then we have in here, we have the toilet, which is all private. And then we go next door. Will obviously be where the shower will be. And then we have our own balcony, which we'll go out to soon to get in and out of the water. How nice. Freaking, that's our island host Shanaz, who's kindly given us the island tour. Got our own gym and spa in here. This is mental. You wouldn't leave this room, would you, if you were... Did you do that? Yeah. All right. Have its own second bathroom. I can't work out. They've got a light switch here for the lights, but I cannot work out. Yeah, can't work the switches for love or money, but... Here we have the second part of the balcony, which we'll show you very soon. And this is a lovely room. We're going to head out into the deck area. Oh, that'd be cool if it was a turtle.
That'd be a big turtle if it was.
Yeah, I know, that'd be massive. Oh, look at the pool as well. You can do laps in it. It's massive. So, deck area of the suite.
950 for this.
And the deepness? What's the depth for this? 1.2. Looks deeper than that. So this is your decking area. Four lots of sun lounges. You've got 4 lots of sun lounges, but one bedroom. You do have access into the water from here as well. What a lovely, lovely room. So obviously we've got the You and Me suite, which has been kindly let to and show around for us. For us, we've been allowed to go and have a look at it. We've bought this for you, so you can have a look at it. If you're looking at it to come stay at You and Me Cocoon, you can obviously... Oh, so we've been told in the low season, all inclusive is $9.50 per night. Not sure how much it is in the higher season. It'll be obviously considered a little bit more, probably 1,000-ish. We have a room tour for you, which will be a pretty cool thing to come and stay. If you've got the money to do it, come stay. I mean, you don't even have to leave the room. People can come give you a spa when you want. You can play billiards or pool, wherever you're from. Got your own gym. Yeah, you got a swimming pool you can do laps in. So if you like the video of the You and Me suite room, give it a like. If you like this video, give it a like as well, because it does help our channel out massively. We've got this especially just because we asked and we told them we do YouTube, so we wanted to get it out there for people to have a look at it, because there's not a video on there currently that we know of.
And leave us a comment if you want to leave us a comment.
Yeah, and subscribe to our channel. We have You and Me videos out as well, another Maldives one we went to last year, so go check them out if you fancy it, and we'll see you for another video. You guys are lucky today to get this sweet viewing, I tell you, on this vlog, because we're so lucky to be able to just come here and do this. The beach bungalows are all full apparently, so we couldn't bring that to you. It's a little bit gutted about, but I mean, this is, I'm impressed with this. You look miles away from here on the camera, like a million miles away. Yeah, so that's it. Just